Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about the Vanilla Visa debit gift cards, and more specifically I'm going to show you how these Vanilla Visa debit gift cards work. So just an overview on what they are and then what you can do with them and then how you can activate them. Just everything from start to finish. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with these Vanilla Visa debit gift cards, basically all they are is you just go to a store and you buy the card at the register. Once you've done that, then you can usually use them at most places that accept Visa debit gift card, which is most places these days. So you can go to stores like Walmart or CVS or 7-Eleven and buy a candy bar with these things. Now, if you're going to be buying this to use online to buy video games or something like that, you do need to activate a zip code and register a zip code on the card. All you want to do is just flip the card over. It's kind of hard to see, but there's two ways to do it. Here on the website, check your card on the back of the plastic because it might be different than mine. Also check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, but you can either go there or you can call the 1-800 number that's on the back of your card and just follow the prompts. They're going to ask for the 16-digit Vanilla Visa debit gift card, expiration date, and 3-digit code from the back of the card. Once you've done that, then it's going to give you an option to add a zip code. You can add your zip code so that way it's easy to remember, or you can add in any 5-digit zip code. It doesn't really matter because it's not directly associated with you, so that's just to verify you are the one making the purchase online. Another thing I want to note is if you're going to be using this card online, a lot of times places ask for your name and phone number. Go ahead and put in your name and phone number. It doesn't really matter. You can't change that, but that's nothing that the online retailer is going to verify anyways. So as you can see right here, gift card recipient, this is not my name obviously, and there is no way to add your name onto a Vanilla Visa debit gift card. This is not a reloadable card. It's a one-time use only. So once this $25 is used up, then the card is no longer any good and you'll want to throw this thing away. Another thing I want to note about these Vanilla Visa debit gift cards is they do not come pre-installed with a PIN number. The PIN number is not really required, so I might suggest if you go to a retailer like 7-Eleven and you're buying yourself a beer, once you get to the register and you swipe the card, it's going to ask if you want to run it as credit or debit. I would suggest you just click credit and that way you can just sign for the purchase and you go, because if you click debit, it's going to ask for a PIN number. And here's how you set that up. So using that same situation, if you go to 7-Eleven and buy yourself a beer, when you go to the register, the very first time that you click debit, it's going to ask for a PIN number. Now the PIN number, you can choose any 4-digit number that you choose. So you can use 1111, 1234, 4321. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you can remember it. And the 4-digit PIN number that you use on the first time you use this as a debit card will remain with the card until it's completely used up. So after you've left 7-Eleven with your beer, if you're going to McDonald's to buy a hamburger, you would use the same PIN number that you used at 7-Eleven from there on out. And if you forget your PIN number, you can always reset that. And how you do that is the same way you add a zip code. Just go to the website or call the 1-800 number and it will walk you through the prompts of adding in the card information, then giving you the option to reset the PIN number. Once you've reset the PIN number, then you'll just repeat the same process you did at 7-Eleven by swiping the card as debit and then choosing a new PIN number. Once you've done that another time, then that PIN number would remain with the card until it's all used up or you reset it again. And another thing I want to let you know is these cards are not reloadable, so you cannot use this card like a bank account. This company, Vanilla, has a prepaid debit card. It's called My Vanilla. Here it is right here. With this card, you can reload, but on the typical Visa debit gift card, you cannot. This is a one-time use only. So there's no way to add money back into your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. If you need to buy something else and this card is used up, you'll need to go to the store and buy a new one, a new Vanilla Visa debit gift card. So there you have it. That is a basic rundown on how these Vanilla Visa debit gift cards work. If you have other questions about these types of accounts, be sure to check my video description or maybe leave me a comment. I always try to write back whenever I can. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.